Hi guys, good morning. It's another day in Panama City and we're doing it tourist style today. We're going out on an excursion. So come along with us and see what we will be doing. Come along, come along. Want this? You want bacon there? Hold up the plate, I know make the plate lean. Hold the plate straight. You want nothing here, sir? Yeah. Want anything here, sir? Pancake already. Your belly going to hurt you. Hey guys, so we're outside waiting on our tour guide to come and pick us up. He said he's coming to pick us up at 8 a.m. and it's now 7:45. So we're just outside chilling and waiting for him to come and get us. Guys, so our tour guide is here to pick us. So we're heading out now. Amanda, you chat too fast.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Ready to enjoy the
Yes, ready. We're ready, guys, and we're going. So our tour guide is here to pick us up. Let's go.
He's gonna put the seats in the back.
Guys,
¿Quieres sentarte al frente?
we're all boarded.
Está bien. Bueno, perfecto.
We're heading out now. So I'll see you when I get
creo que
there.
son dos personas más. En realidad esa ruta es buenísima, pero para los días de semana. Yo no la...
Kitty, now make me sleep. Where you want to sleep for? This is not sleeping. This is vacation. I want to come to sleep, girl. I sleep, you come to sleep. Me not come to sleep. But she talk about sleep, guys. We come to sleep? No. We not come to sleep. Forte. Guys. Forte. In here so cheap, guys. What price them there? We are $4, $6. So, I'm not telling a cheap store. When the money done, at that time they will find the cheap store. In here so super cheap. May I tell you, guys, in here, them look good. And the things them look really nice. So we are coming back here tomorrow. Today is not shopping day, today is our excursion day, but the tour guide stopped here for us to get towel and stuff. We discovered this cheap store and we're coming back here tomorrow. We're coming back, we got to come back.
They're moving.
Where is this? Panama? Where is this called?
This is called Cabima.
Kabima.
Cabima.
This is
It's a
Kabima,
town. We are
guys.
getting into town. This is a public transportation in this area.
Really?
Big bus. It looks like a party bus. Es el
Guys, look at
transporte
this
público
bus.
en esta área.
This is a bus, you know, guys.
Ajá.
A
Parece
bus.
como un bus de fiesta, pero no.
De feria.
Es un bus que está por allí
Guys,
recogiendo
this is
personas.
a regular
regular.
Qué
Panama.
guay.
This is Panama, like Jamaica. This come like the rural part of Jamaica too. Like, this is not like Kingston. This is like the countryside of Jamaica. So basically, in Panama, you have the city and then you have country. That I realize is a big transition from the city to the country. Alright guys, so we stop at a little stall.
No sé cómo decir.
Guys, this
Mango.
is puro.
Este.
A sok Canadian.
Yeah, I guess a sok. Yeah.
Papaya. It's all natural.
What's it called?
Duro.
Duro.
Like duro.
But a
Banana.
sok we call it a Jamaica.
¿Este qué?
Guys, this is a passion fruit juice. It tastes nice. Sok. Come on, that man is called sok.
I will not drink sok yeah.
I'm not drinking sok, but it tastes.
We are at the road.
No, these are the natural passion fruit. They make them sok with natural fruit. It's nice. Nice, bad.
Give me a tip with some.
Listo, gracias.
Take my one. Never end up eating that guy. I feel like it's no one.
¿Le tomo foto?
My one.
¿Le tomo foto?
Guys, them little something here, them nice. A strawberry this. I'm just don't drink the passion fruit one. They make it with natural fruits. I stop talking about them. A natural fruit them use, so them very nice. We are touring. We are in the streets of Panama. This is where we are at.
Ok. Pero hay calidad.
Lychee, guys.
Este es lo mejor. El otro es criollo que no es tan bueno. Sí, también, pero...
Guys, look on the bag of lychee here. Or we get for $1. And they must sell it for all $3,000 in a Kingston. Well,
Está viendo que ya en el aire. Chanti sí está como en 70,000.
fruit is very cheap over here. Food overall is very cheap. This bag of fruits and stuff
En Panamá viene
to take
de
with
la
us.
palabra
Fruits are very
¿Sabes qué es
cheap.
chantó? Casa en
This-
francés, chantó.
Natural
Chateau,
strawberry. Nice.
Bueno, chantó.
Guys, we leave the hotel from 8 a.m. And now it's what time, Manda?
Como ves, me pasé ahí subiendo. No me quedo.
9:52. We still not reach it.
La vida es así.
Look how
La
we
vida
stop at
es.
one store.
La vida es para
We
los
get
vivos.
two-wheel and
Para
stuff
los
like
lentos, así
that.
que se quedan.
Also, we stop at a little stall like and buy
Pero
fruits
vivo
and
acá le decimos como que
juice.
tiene que estar avivado, como que chispa.
We
Pues,
still
vivo.
ahead to
Espabilado.
the
Espabilado.
final
La vida es para los
destination.
espabilados.
On the galleys.
I'm the Gales. Yeah, man, I'm the Gales. I like the Jamaican girl. Gales.
Jamaican girl with Madio.
Tour guide both say Magalis. Your tour guide say Magalis.
Gales.
Yeah, Galis.
It's the band the galleys.
Yeah, man, yeah, for sure.
We are tell him say Jamaican girl we mad him. You must be careful.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
You guys.
Jamaican money. So we reach guys, and we're waiting on our boat to take us across to the island. Again, Indian.
Fuera.
La colección que tú tienes, tú le robaste esa colección a otro.
We are waiting on our boat
Ajá, ya ¿qué conexión?
to take us across. This should be fun. Come along with us, guys. That's a big body girl there. That's her. Well, Michaela, don't touch me now, mind him bite you. Dog girl love black people, here. One. Go so. Okay, I'm ready for a photo. We are in Panama. Guys, we're going on a boat and we're going across to a little island. This should be fun. We're going over with the Indian them there, guys. One little jungle now. Them little boat there. I got carry across. So I don't know if we can pick up no more signal from here. But let's see. This is nice. Even though we're in Panama, we are outside. We are in the Indigenous area and we are going on a little tour. This is nice. I love the country here, you know, guys. So I don't mind this. I don't mind this at all, guys. Some people come to Panama and them only want to eat up in the city. I want to experience everything that Panama has to offer. So I'm loving this for me. I'm loving this. Yeah. Everything supposed to. Yeah, guys. So this is Panama. I'm loving this. And we're going on a little boat, guys. I want me to slip and slide in the car. When I'm ready, I'm clumsy, see? When I'm ready, I'm clumsy bad. Trust me. But we're going on a boat. And we're going to put our little life jacket thing, you know. And then I'll give a life jacket. So.
Hermano. Aquí no tengo.
Michaela, put on your ring.
This look like I picked one.
Well, I don't know, Amanda.
Oh, cuidado.
Yeah, guys, so we're on a little boat. We're on a little boat. One little beanie canoe like. Alright,
Yo voy para allá con el
here, guys. You know, a little
Okay.
canoe.
Let me go to the back.
A little canoe boat kind of like. And it's too much of in the water, guys. I drop him, jump off in the water, guys. Why? Guys, so the boat is moving now. The boat. Wait! Michaela, hold on, and I'm going to drop off, you know. Guys, the boats are moving now, guys. We're actually moving. Actually free. Michaela, sit good, clean. The mother lead off, you know. The mother lead off. Guys, I drop off the car, sit, yo. Guys, we're. Why? We are moving. Michaela, come on. Guys.
Alright, baby. No.
Just hold on, Papa. Hold on. Hold on. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. That was a raft. say? You want to see the street that is going to be alright. Which one you are going on? Amanda, where are you headed? Oh, you make people carry you go where you not do, Amanda. You're not afraid. You're not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm trusting the process, guys. And I'm enjoying the experience. I'm not afraid. We are there? No? Guys, at the Indigenous Indian area, this Indians, there people are over there washing in the river.
Rather go than be here.
Oh, you're enjoying it.
I am enjoying the birthday.
Talk to the people up now.
Hi. And I'm in Panama right now. What yesterday my mother killed us in some grocery park, and I still had it fun. We dyed it for food, and today also we were in the ocean yesterday. We were in a pool yesterday. Also now we're in the banana sea. I think we're landing here.
Wait.
Yeah. If we're in the bottom of if we drown there, I'm living my own life. But this person,
Guys, we're heading to waterfalls. We've been on the boat a good 10 minutes. It's been a good 10 minutes and we're not there yet, but we're heading there. The sun is so hot, but I'm glad it's a sunny day. I'd rather it be a sunny day than it's a rainy day, because we really want to enjoy our little excursion, because it's not cheap. This excursion is costing us $120 US, so it's not cheap. So we really want to maximize on the fun that we will have today. We are just letting go and have
I love Jamaica
Okay, she loves Jamaica.
and Bob Marley.
Oh, yeah, she loves Bob Marley. What about this boat ride? It's a good distance. It's a good distance to get to the waterfall, but we're enjoying the little scenery and we're enjoying the boat ride, right, Michaela? Yeah, we're just going. When we reach the shallow area, they have to turn off the motor and they use the stick to push us through. Okay guys, so we reach and him say we have a 20-minute walk to go to the farm. Could have what this one we and what we could have do so in a life, that's we have to take a 20-minute walk. Imanda, to get to the falls. And what can go so? What can go so? 20-minute hike to get to the fall, that's what he said. So we are heading and we are jumping through the bush. On and on we push. Yeah. I'm tired already, guys. I'm tired already. I'm gonna start walking. Trust me. I'm super tired already. Hi. So, yeah, we'll go for the waterfall. So let's go. I hope it's not disappointing. I hope the walk will be worth it. I'm taking you guys along with me all the way through this experience. Guys, wanna see them slippery clear, yeah? But we are going on. Very slippery, guys. Very, very slippery. But we are pushing on, you know. Cause we have to go see the waterfall here. We have to go see it, guys. So, the water may go through now, guys. Look how good as I walk through water, guys. Yeah, guys. Woo. This is it. She's here. ¿Eh?
¿Lo agarro o qué?
Where is the fish? Where is it?
It's very
Small?
it's very it's soft.
Oh! See the fish there, guys. And I see it.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
See there? Right under the...
We will
Hiding.
Yeah, I see it.
No.
Guys,
Very
there it
tasty
is. I don't know if you see it, but there it is. Yeah, guys. So, me have to back off the hot, guys. Me get hot bad, man. Whee. But it will be worth it. It will be worth it. This is a nice adventure. Very fun. Here's our tour guide. Him not leave you out. So the galleys, listen now. I want to come to Panama and I want to book him for the tour.
I'm the
I
one.
want to book him, guys. Anytime we come to Panama, if you want him information on the link, I have him number. Alright?
You got it. You got it.
I have to take on along every step of the way. Look here. This is not new to me still, you know. Because we know say from Jamaica, anywhere the nice falls them there, you have to walk far. So it's never really surprising to me. Say we have to walk far. Because the same thing in Jamaica. Anyway, you have to find the nice falls them. You have to walk very, very far. So this is not really surprising to me. But 20 minutes walk, guys. No, sir. This are kill dead. This are kill dead sitting, guys. So, I hope say it worth it, guys, because yes, my love. You know, see how we fat. You blind? You know, see we fat. You know, see we big. You know, see how we big. Guys, you have to look slippery. Yeah, take the time and go down. Because all about my body done at me already. I can't afford for job. Boy. Watch the pitney them. Them gone left me. Them young and fit, them alright. Now look. Guys, this water is very cold, by the way. I forgot to tell you guys, this water is very cold. It's icy cold water. Yep. This is a beautiful kitchen.
So video.
Guys, we're here. Finally, the walk was worth it. 20 minutes walk, but it was worth it.
Okay, and waterfall.
Yeah. Give me a picture.
Okay.
Guys, so after walking for 20 minutes, we're finally at the waterfall. Guys, the water is cool. When you go to the water, yeah, I'm going to say getting used to. Woo, but I love it. Yeah. The one back is waterfall, but the closer I get, the deeper it gets. And I'm not in the deepness. I don't know if the girl can't swim, so the girl have to stay. But I want to catch up fish. No man, I'm about the guys. Never take a little time and walk out there. Try it. This is so nice. Guys, so nice. We are heading back to the boat to go. We're heading back, guys. We're on an excursion. As you know, we can't stay at the waterfalls too long. We're going somewhere else, so come along and see where we go next. We're back at the boat and we're heading back to the community. I'm not sure where else he's taking us, but I think we're going somewhere else, so yeah. Yes.
You buy it at the
Yes,
market?
yes.
Same. It's $4.
So guys, we're going back, and this is, tell them your name.
Hi, Chewy.
Chewy, and she's from
Singapore.
Singapore.
Hello. One day I'm gonna be.
Yeah guys, so we're done with the falls and we're heading back to where else we're going? I don't know where we're going next, but no. Cheers! Come, cheers! Cheers!
I'm putting.
Na zdrowie. Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie! Na zdrowie!
I have water.
Guys, the rain is coming now. Guys, the rain is coming down. I don't know if you can see the rain, but the rain is coming down. They say showers of blessing. Yeah. Going back, guys.
But it's great. You can, then when we get back, you can
We're going back and I'm sipping on a beer. What's the name of it? The beer. Ink.
Usually. Alright.
Guys, these are the indigenous people and we're here at the community.
They food. Oh
Yeah, the
my
food.
God. Que guapo.
We're here at the community, guys. And this is beautiful.
Ooh.
So So we're in the indigenous community and we're going to eat. We're going to eat some food and we're going to get to meet the people, and I might put on one of these tattoos that you see they have on their skin. So guys, we are heading up to the indigenous community. It's a long step, eh? No. We're heading up and this is, boy, I'm tired of the walk. Must lose weight. Your girl got to lose some weight today when I done walk. With all this walking, I must lose some weight today, Amanda. Amanda? Hungry like a dog. We're hungry and we are walk miles.
Me now want no more.
I'm tired. Hey, hola. Hi. Oh? Girl, don't talk about it. Whee. Watch them run up like it's nothing. Hola.
Hola.
We're in the indigenous community and can I go? And I'm touring and I'm showing you guys some of the stuff from the indigenous people. Guys, their stuff are beautiful. Don't touch nothing. Our ears ring for big people. Okay. I'm gonna get some souvenirs.
There's no book. You just tell him what if you want traditional, if you want flower, if you want butterfly. I've been coming here for 2 years.
Okay, I love it
and
here.
And the baby, he's my godson now.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Venezuela and Dominican, but I grew up in New York.
Okay.
And now I live in Panama.
Okay. Guys, this is
She told him
nice.
to be hoarse.
We're in the indigenous communities. What are they called?
The indigenous people?
Tainos are
They're Mbera.
Mbela.
Mbera.
They're Mbela people, and we're in their indigenous community, guys. And I'm planning of these. I'm just gonna get one of these.
I watch out with that.
They say it can last for like 2 weeks.
Like 10 to 12 days.
10 to 12 days. So I'm gonna put it on. Guys, so we're touring the indigenous community. Such a beautiful place, guys.
Prendre photo de la stove, la cuisine.
Mamita.
Guys, look at this step. This is the kitchen. And they're making us a lunch. They're preparing us a lunch, guys.
They are cooking there. Go
They're
ahead,
making
take a look. The
fruits for
beautiful
us.
women.
This is so
Bueno, na
nice,
biakero
guys.
ako din na pa ver bukida de oro, pa ver bukida de oro.
Guys, this would be our lunch.
They are preparing the food.
preparing the
This is very strong. Please feel free to take pictures and all that.
Si gusto.
This is beautiful. They're preparing fish. They're preparing fruits. What else are we getting? Plantains. Those are the plantains, fried plantains over there. Guys, these are the fried plantains. The stove that they're using to cook. This is so
Muneho muchumana. Amwana biakiru apa beza kina biakiru. Sabe? Abusita.
guys, this
Kapi
is
biabu apura.
beautiful.
Kapi biabu. ¿Qué va? Está como que
Guys, you have to respect these people. Look at my eye. My eye is watering. I'm in the kitchen and my eye is running water from the so you have to respect these people. Trust me. Yeah. My eyes are watering from the
it's not because you had a joint under. No, I'm joking.
yeah, your eyes are watering too. Mine too. The ladies are making our fruit plate. Look at how beautiful they are arranging it. This is so amazing, guys. So amazing. I love it. Eyes and my nose are watering from the cold stove. So we're gonna see how they live. And this is real people. This is real living, guys. Don't think it's just for tourism. This is the indigenous community. The people them actually live like this, same way. Them still live like this. Pineapple.
C'est mango. Beaucoup de fruits ici. Du fruit.
This is pineapple.
Oui, that's a pineapple.
Pineapple.
You see how they are growing up?
Yeah.
They grow all the fruits around this. You probably know what's that.
Hibiscus.
What do you think is this, Kadin?
Soursop.
Oh, that's a soursop.
Soursop.
It
The
looks
indigenous
different.
make tea
Yes,
with the leaf.
yes, we use it to make tea in
And
Jamaica too.
When you get like
Yeah.
stomachache.
Calm your nerves. This look at hibiscus. This is hibiscus.
You
Yeah.
got it. And we have lemon.
It's the lemon tree. It's nice to make tea as well.
Citron. Citron. Citron.
Makes nice tea. Guys, this is real living. This is actually how the people live here. This is going to be a long video, guys, but please stay tuned and enjoy the video. We are in Esteban, tell them where we are.
So we are at this moment at the indigenous village Embera Indigenous Village. As you can see, Eliezer is coming here. ¿Cómo se llama esta comunidad?
Puro Biakiru.
Puro Biakiru is the name of the community.
Puro
What does it
Biakiru.
mean? ¿Qué significa?
Pueblo bonito.
Okay.
So Puru is town, and Biakiru means beautiful.
Okay,
So
beautiful.
that's a
It's beautiful town, guys.
That's a
That's the translation. That's their house, guys. And
Nos vemos, Esteban.
they actually live here, right?
This is the house of that guy. He just came out of the
Yes.
house. They have their bathroom outside. This house there is of his mom that she's 86 and she might be around. We're gonna continue walking to
Guys,
see
the
if I
people
see her.
actually live here. This is real living
This way.
people. There's the indigenous people actually still live like this. They don't want to live in the city. They don't want to be too much in civilization. They just want to be here and keep it natural. Look at that.
Los baños afuera, el inodoro es afuera. Sí, claro.
Guys,
Claro, yo no les voy a mentir.
this
Ellos
is
son
actually
de la comunidad
where-
de ellos. Ellos tienen sus casas, por ejemplo.
guys, so Esteban is giving us a tour of the indigenous community. You heard the name that the guy said. I don't remember it, but I'm telling you guys, people still actually live like this. The Tainos, I don't know if they're the Tainos. Don't quote me on that. I'm calling them the Tainos because that's what we learned in school, you know. And that's their bathroom right down there. That's a little bathroom, guys. People still living simple. You have people that actually now run down. There's over 1,000 communities like this that people still actually live like this, guys.
Como 500 indígenas en total en todo el parque trabajan con turismo. like 500 people in the area working tourism, but the other half work doing fishing, cleaning around, looking for a way to make some money, you know. But they grow everything, as you can see. You want to see culantro.
Hi, baby.
In Spanish, culantro.
Hola.
Uh-huh. And then they use pepper. You see? They also plant. Bueno, reparta pues. Agua fría.
So guys, this is our lunch.
No
Don't touch
fría la de
baby.
arriba.
That's the one. That
Oh,
was
ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is beautiful, guys. So beautiful. They did such a good job at this.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Dice que estás bien bonito.
This looks
dice.
delicious.
Tú, dice que tú estás bien bonito, dice.
This is our lunch. This is how they serve it. This is like a plate. This I call it a dish. It's so good. We have fried fish and plantain.
That's a garbage. Okay. Si quieres,
Mira, me has
puedes ponerte una naranjita, quieres una piña, melón. Si quieres, agárrala.
Guys, we're having fish and plantain, and we have fruits also. The food is very tasty. Yeah.
Yo lo que tengo que grabar.
Con mi amiga puede que quiera. ¿Quieres patacones?
¿Quieres más patacones?
Tienes que esperar para ver.
No se van a pintar, amiga. No se van a pintar.
No sé, algo que vamos a hacer.
Guys, so we're still here in the indigenous community, and it started to rain, and it's beautiful. So it's raining, and she's here doing my tattoos.
One of them sneeze.
Oh, we're in the indigenous community. And it's raining.